Doobop. He makes music with Doobie and sends it to people around the world. Doobie. Doobie also makes music with Doobop and sends it to her friends around the world. Bob, that's me, the manager of the Monster Music Factory. He maintains Mr. Jukebox, and he meets his friends to look for words to make songs. Mr. Jukebox. He finds keywords and plays nice music. And then there is the Monster Music Car. He gives us rides to send our songs to all our friends. Enter. This is the Monster Music Factory family. Now I have to organize all the songs that we made.
Bob, what are you doing?
Well, I'm summarizing all the data from the Monster Music computer.
Why?
Because the hard drive is full.
Really? Wow! We worked hard, man.
Yes, Doobop. Can you guess what my favorite song is?
No, I can't.
The Christmas Carols.
The Christmas carols.
Here he comes! You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Merry Christmas, everybody! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Carols are fun.
Yes. Which one do you like the best?
My favorite is...
I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! It stung me!
Kids English School.
Kidstalk,